making eggs, tip number 1. Always start with more butter than you'll think you'll need. The pan's preheated. It's been sitting here for a bit. And what you want to do is you want the butter to warm up and not exhibit the leidenfrost effect. And leidenfrost is, people throw the water on to see if it's boiling, and you want the butter to heat up, and you want to get rid of all the bubbles. See right now, all those bubbles are popping. That's the leidenfrost effect. You want the oil to seep down into those pores. Alright, and that will allow us to have that nice... my plate's too far away. That'll give us that nice release. No sticking, nothing.